It's 9-ball. Your opponent broke dry and left you with this. How many of you would shoot this shot? Not a good idea. Look at where the 2-ball is. We're snookered, can't make the 2, so what do? Let's put this 9-ball back, put the cue ball back. I've got it marked. Let's put this back on my mark up here, my 1-ball, and let's see what we really should be doing here. I'm going to try to kick in behind the 1. I'm going to look at this angle. If I kick in behind it and send this 1-ball about right there, I have an opportunity to possibly pocket the 1 and leave the cue ball up table for the 2. Let's just see if we can do that. If I don't make the 1, I may have a nice safety anyway. And I have a good safety. But look at where my cue ball is for my 2, had I have made that. This is how we need to think through a rack. By the way, that shot right there was one of the very first kick shots that I learned. It was about playing safe, but I also discovered that I could make shots if I just figured out the angles. So let's look more into these type shots. Let's first take a look at the shot I just showed. Notice here that I'm actually hitting my object ball on the angle I figure I need to in order to pocket it down in that corner pocket. I've marked the object ball and the cue ball, so I'm going to duplicate the shot. At this point, I'm going to kick behind this 1-ball and try to send it towards that second diamond on the side rail and hopefully be able to pocket the shot. And it hit right at the second diamond, and sure enough, it goes right into the corner pocket. So my suggestion is to practice this type kick shot so you can get a feel for how much spin you need to apply to your cue ball to get the object ball to hit that side cushion near that second diamond. And just a reminder, set the object ball about 1.5 balls off the end rail. This gives you enough room at this angle to be able to hit in behind this 1-ball with spin so that you can make a direct hit, which sends the object ball to the far corner pocket. So now let's take a look at a cross side kick shot. I've lined up the cue ball and the object ball towards the side pocket, so that's the ghost ball position coming off the rail. Next, let's go ahead and move the cue ball so that we have a kick in behind this 1. Notice here I'm using my cue and I'm aiming at the second diamond, and I'm lining up the cue ball to the corner pocket where I'm standing, and I should have a nice direct hit into the side pocket. Now the secret to these shots is we do have to add some running spin. So in this case, I'm putting right spin on my cue ball in order to get in behind that object ball to kick it directly to that side pocket. So now let's locate the object ball close to the side pocket. Now this is quite different. Here I will not add any running spin. I'm going to use center cue ball only. And I want to stress center cue ball only so that you set up directly on center and then stroke through the cue ball. It's important that you do not hit any side spin or you'll change the outbound angle of the cue ball, thus missing the shot. So next, let's take a look at this great technique for lining up a 1-rail kick shot. What you'll need to do is pick out a center point between the object ball and the cue ball, then use this as a reference aim point as you stroke through the shot. So what I've shown you is on-angle kick shots, but what happens if the cue ball and the object ball are not on angle to the side pocket? Notice here that I'm lining up the ghost ball position so that I can visualize the cut on the object ball. From here, I'll still look for my center point between the two cut angles and then go straight over and use that as an aim point as I stroke through the shot. Here's another method that's called paralleling. By using the diamond system, look at where your cue ball is oriented in relationship to the diamond and the nearest pocket. In this case, the cue ball is right in line with the second diamond. Next, use your cue to go from the pocket to the diamond and look at where your object ball is and parallel shift over to it to establish an aim point on the cushion. From there, be careful to hold that aim point in your mind and then stroke directly through the center of the cue ball, pocketing the shot in the side pocket. There's something else that I almost left out, and that is that you're going to want to shoot these shots consistently at a medium speed. And here's another look, and here are two lines that run through the second diamond to the pockets. We'll do a parallel shift to this 7 ball, visualizing that aim point on that cushion and keeping that in our mind as we stroke through the shot. So basically what I just did is I touched upon kicking. I could have made this video longer, but I wanted to keep it short. If you guys want me to put together a more in-depth video on kicking, please chime in the comment section. Also, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up and share this video. Helps my channel, you guys, and I need your help. Now, if you want to watch another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.